3, 2, 1.
Which sister has an uncontrollable cough in the beginning of the novel Pride and Prejudice? The answer is A. Catherine. If you scrape an object, small pieces or particles may break off of the object. What's an example of this? The answer is A. Rubbing an emery board across your nail. In response to a cut, mast cells secrete histamines that cause nearby capillaries to do what? The answer is D. Dilate. Which type of shoes has a heel and a strap that goes over the foot? The answer is C. Sandals. In the novel Dolores Claiborne, what is the name of Dolores Claiborne's daughter? The answer is A. Selina St. George. What sings all by itself without any help from humans? The answer is D. Burr. What is the world's deepest freshwater lake by volume? The answer is B. Lake Baikal. In the movie Rocky Balboa, what anniversary does Rocky commemorate every year by making pilgrimages to his favorite places? The answer is A. Adrian's death. In Stephen King's novel The Dark Tower, Mordred has the ability to transform himself into what type of creature? The answer is A. Spire. What is always on the move but never leaves its place? The answer is A. Weather. Which plant is also known as a fossil tree? The answer is C. Sequoia. Who sings the theme song for The Simpsons? The answer is A. Danny Elfman. What do we call the seasonal movement of animals? The answer is B. Migration. What is always running but never walks or talks? The answer is C. Waterfall. Which group on the periodic table contains elements that are the least reactive? The answer is D. Group 18-8A. Which word is defined as fear of failure? The answer is B. Cacoraphiophobia. Which spacecraft was used for the first human mission to Mars in a movie? The answer is B. SpaceX's Dragon. Which mountain is the highest in North America? The answer is B. Denali. Which type of light can cause severe eye damage if it is viewed directly? The answer is B. A laser beam. According to the genealogy of Jesus, who was the father of Jesse? The answer is C. Obed. In which of the following states will you not find the mud puppy? The answer is D. Texas. Geysers erupt because what boiling hot substance is trapped beneath their surface?
The answer is C. Water.
Sarah's class is learning about mixtures and solutions. Her teacher writes 4 statements on the board. Which statement best describes a mixture? The answer is D. One substance can be separated from the other. Who is the Norse goddess of beauty and fertility? The answer is A. Freyja. What is the traditional footwear of a geisha? The answer is B. Sandals. Which famous Bill was born in Iowa? The answer is A. Buffalo Bill Cody. One of the simplest machines is the lever, which is a rigid bar pivoted at a fixed place called what? The answer is A. Fulcrum. Several actors were considered for the part of Raoul Duke in Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas before Johnny Depp. Which of these is not among them? The answer is C. Ed Harris. Where does fertilization usually take place? The answer is A. Fallopian tubes. Under which conditions do many bacteria carry out alcohol fermentation? The answer is D. Anaerobic. An ice cube is put into a heated pan. What will most likely happen to the molecules in the ice as the ice is heated? The answer is B. The molecules will begin to move faster. What is a group of fish called when they are swimming together? The answer is C. Murder. Who scored the fastest hat-trick in a World Cup match? 6 minutes. The answer is B. Diego Maradona. Which is the 4th planet from the Sun? The answer is A. Mars. What has keys all over it, but can't open locks? The answer is A. A piano. Which nut is not edible raw? The answer is C. Brazil nut. Which of these drinks would you associate with Croatia? The answer is B. Rakia. What is a learned behavior? The answer is D. A child swearing. Which of these is not a type of computer memory? The answer is D. Esram. Which Norse god rules over thunder and lightning? The answer is C. Thor. Who gave the Mona Lisa painting its name? The answer is C. Giorgio Vasari. What river flows through the Red River Delta in Vietnam? The answer is A. Mekong. Which of these stars, who all had guest roles on Batman, portrayed the villain Egghead? The answer is D. Vincent Price. What do you brush your teeth with? The answer is A. Toothbrush. Who kills Evans in the Western film 3:10 to Yuma? The answer is D. Charlie Prince. Which inventor gave us the steam engine? The answer is A. James Watt. What kind of joints are capable of a wide range of movements, classified as gliding, angular, rotational, or special? The answer is A. Synovial. Which of these is an unofficial nickname of South Dakota? The answer is D. Sunshine State. What are the most abundant unicellular algae in the oceans? The answer is D. Cryosophytes. We would genetically be all the same if genes did not have different what?